Woo! What's going on, fellas? My name is Coach Garrain Jones. And 10 years ago, I was at the lowest point of my life. I lived out of my car for 2.5 years. I was over $250,000 in debt. My daughter pretty much disowned me. My girlfriend had broken up with me. My mom was dying in the hospital. I had no real relationships, big pride, ego, and excuses. I was dark, and I didn't know what to do. And I remember one day it was in August 2011 at 3:43 in the morning. I had some kind of awakening. It was like a voice inside just leaped up out of me. And I just screamed out and I said, okay, I'm tired of fighting. I don't want to fight anymore. I want to be healthy. I want to be happy. I want to be surrounded by nothing but positive people. I just want to inspire people. And I want to make a bunch of money, but I want the money to represent something that I passionately believe in that I would do for free. Just show me a sign. Show me a sign. And a week later, I'm at a gas station and a homeless guy walks up to me and asks me for money. And I said, you have more money than me. And then all of a sudden his eyes kind of changed. And he said, change your mindset, change your life. And I ran with that thought. Change your mindset, change your life. So if my mind is set on something, then that's why the result is what it is. So if I do different with the same circumstance, my life will change. Every day since that moment, I trained myself how to do the opposite in the uncomfortable. When I'm facing resistance, when I don't want to do it, when I'm being lazy, when I'm procrastinating. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you, because who I was 10 years ago was somebody who lacked all those skills, who lacked the understanding, the emotional intelligence. And one of the biggest things that I lacked was community, was brotherhood, was people that I could run to, was a mentor, people that I could talk to, people that I could lean on. And then a brother brought me up out of the ashes, out of my own ashes, and invited me to his community. And that's when I experienced nature's true luxury, community. So I wanted to share with you my story because since then I have completely transformed my life because I embodied the characteristics that I saw the most in the community that I surrounded myself around the most. And this supported and amplified my transformation into somebody who is living life on fire, life on purpose, best-selling author, part of the 2 Comma Club, and have impacted millions all over the world. I don't share this with you to impress you, but to impress upon you what's possible when you have an example of what's possible staring at you right in front of your face. And whoever invited you to even click this link loves you, loves your soul, and wants to see the bigness rise up in you. So what I tell all of my brothers when I meet them, welcome home. So if you're looking for a tribe, if you're looking for somebody to lock in with, somebody to lean on, somebody to speak to, mentorship, brotherhood, you found it. And my offer, what I'm here to serve, is years of trials and tribulations and finding a way to rise through the fire, rise through the ashes, and utilizing my personal experience and wisdom to share with my other brothers. Proven techniques, proven strategies, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. So I cannot wait for you to join our tribe as you explore, express, elevate alongside us. Let's get it, y'all.